Hey, I'm Madison Webb, and I am presenting my IDT final for the ISTE standards. So we have 5 standards, and I will be explaining all of them. Standard 1 is to facilitate and inspire student learning and activity. Teachers use their knowledge of subject matter, teaching and learning, and technology to facilitate experiences that advance student learning, creativity, and innovation in both face-to-face and virtual environments. There are 4 subheadings, but the 3 that I picked is subheading A, promote, support, and model creativity and innovation, thinking, and inventiveness. B, engage students in exploring real-world issues and solving authentic problems using digital tools and resources. And D, model collaborative knowledge construction by engaging and learning with students, colleagues, and others in face-to-face virtual environments. The examples that I picked for these 3 is A, I picked a graphic organizer because it is a creative model. B, I use the interactive learning list because they can explore and solve problems with these links. And D, I chose my screencast because it is face-to-face through a virtual reality. For Standard 2, it is design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. Teachers design, develop, and evaluate authentic learning experiences and assessments incorporating contemporary tools and resources to maximize content learning in context and to develop those knowledge, skills, and attitudes identified in the standards. The 3 subheadings I picked is A, design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. C, customize and personalize learning activities to address students' diverse learning styles, working strategies, and abilities using digital tools and resources. And D, provide students with multiple and varied formative assessments and summative assessments aligned with content and technology standards and using resulting data to inform learning and teaching. The examples that I picked was A, this is a digital tool that promotes student learning and it is a comic. C is ABC Mouse because it is a link provided because kids with all different learning types can play this game. And D, I used a rubric for this example because this is a type of formative assessment. Standard 3 is model digital age work and learning. And this is where teachers exhibit knowledge, skills, and work processes representative of an innovative professional in a global and digital society. And I picked the 3 subheadings B, C, and D. B is collaborate with students, peers, parents, and community members using digital tools and resources to support students' success and innovation. C, communicate relevant information and ideas effectively to students, parents, and peers using a variety of digital age media and formats. And D, model and facilitate effective use of current and emerging digital tools to locate, analyze, evaluate, and use information resources to support research and learning. And the 3 examples that I used for these is I chose for B, a teacher's website because this is available for students and parents to better themselves and better their child's knowledge. I use Gmail for C because it can be used to communicate with students, parents, and peers. And then I use Prezi for D because it can be used to support research that we have already learned. Standard 4 is promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. Teachers understand local and global issues and responsibilities in an evolving digital culture and exhibit legal and ethical behavior in their professional practices. For the subheadings, I picked B, C, and D. B, address the diverse needs of all learners by using learner-centered strategies, providing access to appropriate digital tools and resources. C, promote and model digital etiquette and responsible social interactions related to the use of technology and information. And D, develop a model culture, understanding, and global awareness by engaging with colleagues and students of other cultures using digital age communication and collaboration tools. And the three examples I use for these is WebQuest for B, because it has multiple resources. C, I use Grammarly because it is proper etiquette to spell check your work. And D is FaceTime is used for communication with people anywhere around the world, and you can see them face to face. And finally, my fifth standard is engage in professional growth and leadership. And this is where teachers continuously improve their professional practice, model lifelong learning, and exhibit leadership in their school and professional community by promoting and demonstrating the effective use of digital tools and resources. The three subheadings I picked for this is A, C, and D. A is participate in local and global learning communities to explore creative applications of technology to improve student learning. C is to evaluate and reflect on current research and professional practice on a regular basis to make effective use of existing and emerging digital tools and resources in support of student learning. And D is contribute to the effectiveness and self-renewal of the teaching profession and of their school and community. The three examples I picked for these are A, I can use Kahoot as a local learning environment. C, I use Quizlet because they can use it to reflect on their current knowledge. And D, I use the Amazon wish list because teachers can ask for things that is needed in their classroom. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.